Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Ferrari 812 for 2025. This model brings a perfect blend of power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. The Ferrari 812 continues to represent the pinnacle of Italian automotive craftsmanship with enhancements that take performance to new heights. Under the hood, it's powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, delivering an incredible 800 horsepower. This powerhouse allows the 812 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, showcasing its blistering speed and impressive agility. The 2025 Ferrari 812 also boasts a top speed of over 211 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest cars on the road today. Ferrari engineers have refined the aerodynamics, enhancing stability at high speeds while improving handling through an advanced rear-wheel steering system and a redesigned suspension setup. These upgrades ensure that the 812 remains composed on any road, whether it's winding mountain passes or high-speed straights. Inside, the Ferrari 812 offers a luxurious and driver-focused cockpit, with premium materials like leather and carbon fiber throughout. The digital instrument cluster provides all the necessary performance data, while the advanced infotainment system integrates seamlessly with your smartphone for a connected experience. Ferrari hasn't just focused on performance but also comfort and style, making this car an ideal blend of daily usability and track-ready precision. Safety features are top-notch, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and an advanced braking system that offers maximum stopping power even at extreme speeds. The 2025 Ferrari 812 is the epitome of a modern supercar, offering unparalleled performance, unmatched luxury, and an unmistakable driving experience that only Ferrari can deliver. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest in automotive news and reviews, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.